Today we'll be managing our plan in our Shopify store. From the homepage, go down to the bottom left, select Settings, select Plan. We're currently in a developmental store, so our plan is not charged and it lists as a custom plan. To take our store live, we would need a card on file for our billing profile, which we have already set. We can update that, and we will do that in a different video. For the purposes of this video, we'll change our plan, review the options that we have available to us. The basic plan, which is the most popular, is for solo entrepreneurs, people just starting out, and starts at $29 a month. This is just for the Shopify store and doesn't include any third-party integrations that you will add to your store to increase functionality. Here you have up to 77% discount at the time of the video and other features and card rates starting at 2.9% and 2.6% and 2% for third-party payment providers. These will change as you go through your different options. The next option is called the Shopify plan, which is good for small teams starting at $79 a month. You can see that there's a discount in the card rates, an increased discount in the shipping and insurance, as well as other features. In the advanced plan, which is for as your business scales, it starts at $299 a month. That being said, if you are on this plan, you should be taking in enough revenue that $299 a month is a absorbable operational expense that helps your business grow, and you are not worried about $299 a month. You get better rates on your card for your payment processing, and then additional features and discounts that go along with it. For Plus, which is for some of the most complex businesses, it starts at $2,300 a month at the time of this video. Again, you have discounts in your payment processing rates as long as a whole slew of different features that come with more complex businesses of this nature. Most people will start out in basic, and that's a good place to start. You can see the full list of features. You can even toggle to select only showing differences if you are somewhere in between, either basic and Shopify or Shopify and advanced. If you're somewhere within advanced or plus, you should know that you're working with a far more complex business at scale. As you go down, you can see the different features and the different prices and price breaks that you have between the shipping, payments, taxes, the international markets that are included or cost additionally, and then what is just for Plus, as that is Shopify's biggest upsell. For in-person selling, you have Point of Sale Lite and Point of Sale Pro. Point of Sale Lite is included with all plans. However, there are limitations to it, whereas Point of Sale Pro starts in timeless video, $89 a month per location. Every plan gets you all of the basic functionality of a Shopify store and all of what has become to be the industry standard of an e-commerce experience. So you get the checkout, you get the in-person selling with the point of sale and being able to take card payments. You can integrate to multiple sales channels, whether that's social media or other marketplaces. You can pull reports, you get the analytics, you can integrate to third-party apps through the Shopify App Store. And really the ecosystem is very built out and continues to be updated. There's an additional way that you can create your store, which is called retail, which is where you have a limited L and a physical brick and mortar retail store. And that limited online store is essentially an online presence to serve your local customers and facilitate transactions through your held inventory. If you have any questions that go along with which plan should you get, what does it cost, how long are the contracts, and anything with your payments or setting up the store, point of sale, they are all listed below in a frequently asked questions. And then additionally, the help resources that Shopify has is incredibly robust and available to you for free. When you go to select your plan, you'll select one of the buttons and proceed through to initiate subscription for that payment. Because this store is still in development, we will not do that at this time. So take a look at the features and select what's best for you.